Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Doe, behind the camera. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this shaker crescent moon. This is some embossing paper I found from off of Amazon. It makes it a lot easier to trace. So I definitely be buying this stuff again. Just making sure everything lines up. This is some UV resin. I'm gonna use my little clay tool to put it around there because you definitely don't want to squeeze it from the bottle onto the outside because you'll get an overspill. Just lining everything up again, and I'm gonna put it under a UV lamp. Just checking to make sure everything is covered. I'm gonna drill a hole, but normally I drill a hole after I demold. I never drill a hole except for this one time. I never drill a hole after I've put in my glitter and everything, because whenever you drill the hole, whatever you drill, the plastic and stuff is gonna go inside. But I didn't see any in there afterwards, so thank God. And I use oil to put the liquid in there is oil. I used this Monster liquid latex. It was already starting to screen up before I finished it. So to my surprise, it cured or dried up or whatever a whole hour later. So I was like, oh my God. So this definitely will slow down your progress. And this is for resin overspill. So you definitely want to implement this progress or this process into your making your shaker. Here I'm going to use Promarinesupplies. Usually takes about 3 minutes to mix this together. What you're basically looking for those of you who are new to resin, you're looking for like little lines in it that indicates that it's not fully mixed. And don't forget to scrape the sides. And you're not stirring this fast. Even though I've sped this up, it's like a lot slower than what it is. And this is the next day. My eye pin, my jump ring, my keychain, putting it all there together to make this little cutie. Hope you guys enjoyed.